Hey guys, this is Ms. Hurst with another quick tech tutorial. If your school won't let you download any apps, you can actually still use a PDF just on your iPad with the Notes app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to act like I'm only able to get into my Google Drive here, and you'll see I have a worksheet pulled up. All I'm going to do is I'm going to click those three dots at the top of the screen, and I'm going to hit copy, send a copy here. When I hit send a copy, it brings up some options. If you have other things installed, you can send it from there. So for example, OneNote, which I use a lot, is right there. But if you don't, all you're going to do is you're going to hit the button where it says copy, and it's going to save a copy on your iPad. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my document here, and you can see I already inserted it, but I'm going to show you how to do that again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap here until my mouse comes up. There we go. And now there's this little paste icon right above the number 1 on my keyboard. I'm just going to paste it, and you'll see I now have a color by number sheet. But wait a second. When I try to go and write on it, it still moves the screen. So what do? All you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And once you've clicked on that picture, there's another little icon up in the top right-hand corner here underneath where your battery is that has a pen on it. You now get all your tools back, and I can have fun here, and I can color till my heart's content, and it shows up on my document. So that's all you gotta do to edit a PDF on an iPad if you can't download any apps. Hope this helps, guys. Bye-bye.